Well, unfortunately, the power in the garage is still not adequate enough. So I have the plasma cutter hooked up now, and it's not one to hold an arc, probably because the plug isn't adequate enough to run it. Mainly because there's 15 other fucking circuits. Mainly because there's 15 other circuits on this line. So next week, I'm off all week. I am going to run 210 in a new line just for the garage of 110 to supply the plasma cutter, the welder, the everything. Hair compressor, lathe, drill press, all of it. Because I can't build go-karts or trikes or mini bikes or any of those kind of things if I can't sustain power in the garage. I mean, it doesn't make any damn sense. It's only a 30-year-old house. Granted, back then, you know, the code wasn't the same as it is now, and you know, if I were to build my own house, it definitely wouldn't be like this. I tell you that. I'd definitely have at least 210 in the garage, at least 4 or 5 outlets of 110, double or triple, depending on, or quads, depending on which one I need. But I can show you what it's doing. Turn it back on, I'll plug it back in, and we'll see what's happening. But I can guarantee you right now that power is the problem. Alright, well, there's nothing plugged in to the same socket. Just in case it does decide to spark an arc. It should strike it, I can hold it, but it's not. It keeps... Now it's mostly because of that air. Or there's something wrong with the machine. I have no idea. Sounds like maybe the contacts on the inside are messed up. Trying to be. So I'm just gonna turn it off. I'm gonna unplug everything because I know what the issue is. The issue is there's not enough power in my garage. That's pretty much bottom line. I've been dealing with this since I moved in here, but I have all this equipment. And I have more coming, and I can't use any of it until I have better power in the garage. So that's what we're going to be working on next week. But yeah, also got a new tripod. Thing's awesome. Got it on Amazon. I'll probably put a link in the description if you want to go check it out. And can't see me because I'm not in the light. Cool. But that's pretty much it. I just wish I had more outlets, more power, better power, more consistent, and wouldn't have to go in the attic and run all this fucking shit that I'm gonna have to do next week. So yeah, that's it for now. Until next week, until you know I get furloughed again and have to, you know, do the thing. But it is what it is, right? That's why I'm trying to make it on YouTube. That's why I'm trying to make it selling stuff instead of having to go into a job, make my own business. So that's it for now, guys. Like, comment, subscribe, share. You know how to do it.